Car number 2 in 2 days, and today it's a 1967 Almond Green Morris Minor 2-door saloon. So we'll go around it. Really like the way this one's came out, because when it came in it had a vinyl roof on, and we've taken it off and obviously repainted it, and the results are really very nice. As you can see, the paintwork and the bodywork's exceptionally clean. There's the odd blemish on it, as we always say, but it doesn't really detract from the car and the overall quality of it. The panel gap's all nice. Just go around again. No bubbles or frilliness on the tailgate. The wings are all good. Where the wings meet the inner wings are all good, and all the usual problem areas on the body are good. The underside of it's really nice and clean. It's quite impressive actually how nice and clean it is. It's really nice to drive. It's had a lot of effort spent on it obviously over its lifetime. And it's got servo brakes to improve the braking. The chrome on it's really good. We're going to have a look at the interior. So interior wise, it's the same as the exterior really. It's had lots of time and effort spent on it. So it's got new headlining and new sun visors, new door cards. Seat covers are new, so as you can see they're really nice and clean. Dash is really clean. It's got the addition of the a clock, water temperature gauge and oil pressure gauge, so you can see what's going on with the car when you're tootling about with her. It's got new carpets fitted. The parcel shelf's in good order. As you can see, she's got front seat belts and rear seat belts, so that's nice for taking the grandkids or the kids about in it. The rear cards are all in good order, and the pulls and everything, so nice and clean. She's showing 20,715 miles. Obviously it hasn't done 21,000 near enough miles since it was new. So as I'd guess, that's probably on the engine, because the engine feels really nice and sprightly, so I would suggest that that's been reconditioned 20,000 miles ago. It's got a 12 volt socket and USB, so you can plug your sat nav and your phone in. Starts really nice, runs really nice, but I say it's a pleasure to drive. I'll just pull it. New windscreen rubber in, and we put that in obviously when we took the screen out to paint the roof. So engine bay really nice and clean, servo fitted as I said before. Nothing negative to report at all, to be fair. Nice and clean on the edge of the bonnet, inner wings, clutches, tie plates, bulkhead, everything that you can see there in the engine bay is nice and tidy. She is a really nice clean car, and another example of that is when I open up the boot, because the boot lid's nice and clean, no frilliness on the edge, no bubbling. The inner wings are all really nice and clean in the back. And then if you have a look in here, so the boot floor or the subfloor is all nice and clean as well. You've got your little tool for taking the hubcaps off, jack and wheel brace, starting handle. It's had new lights fitted. As I say, the overall standard of the car is really high. Ideal if you're wanting to treat yourself for Christmas, buy it to a Morris Minor. Ideal for a starter, or even taking to shows and walking away with pops at local shows. Great car. For further details, give us a call on 01422 881221. Ask to speak to Dan in sales, that's me. And then www.westridingclassics.co.uk, or email inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, or on our YouTube channel, which you're probably watching this video on anyway, obviously West Riding Classics. So WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre. give us a bell. Dan in sales. This is a really nice car. It's on at 10,850, which is an absolute bargain. So be quick, get in your car, drive up to Halifax, have a look at it, and I guarantee the first person to come and have a look at it will buy it. So thanks guys.